Colleges of Education Academic Staff Union has given the federal government a 21-day ultimatum to address all issues of neglect in the nation's colleges of education or face a nationwide industrial action.
The union, at a press conference addressed by its executives in Abuja, alleged that government has failed to address the plight of public colleges 1 year after sending a memo detailing their deplorable state. Helen Osamede-Akins reports.
The standard of education in Nigeria continues to deteriorate by the day, with government seeming inability to address the poor quality of teaching and deplorable infrastructure in the sector. Year in, year out, unions in the sector embark on incessant strikes to get government committed to improving the sector. To save the system, the Minister of Education had suggested that both the federal and state governments commit at least 15% of their annual budget to improving standards. This suggestion is yet to see the light of day. The members of the Colleges of Education Academic Staff Union are again compelled to bring to the fore the deplorable state of Nigerian colleges of education. They say the government has failed to address their plights. They warn that if nothing is done this time around, the union will be forced to call for a nationwide industrial action.
The expanded National Executive Council has therefore at its meeting resolved to challenge governments to shut the teacher education industry, since the quality of infrastructure, welfare and service delivery takes no preference in the scheme of governance at all levels. That should government refuse to redress all the issues in contention within 21 days, the union would have no option but to resort to a nationwide industrial action.
The union sees government release of guidelines for the reopening of schools in the country as unrealistic, as it believes reopening of schools at this time is not feasible.
What the implication of resumption is or could be on the learner, what it could be on the instructor, on the lecturer, on the teacher, and then even the environment itself. One issue, again, will knock off any attempt to reopen the schools.
The union also regrets the prevailing rapid and awful conditions of members of staff of the institutions. Helen Osamede-Akins, TVC News, Abuja.